individually, we're disappointed with Frank's. He had 3 attempted tackles where he didn't use his arm. So, at some stage he's going to get caught. That was disappointing. The red card to Namani is just one of those things that happen in the game. The discipline around some of the other areas was probably a thing that disappointed us. The more rugby style penalties. We weren't the only red card from the weekend, and I don't think other teams are going to look and say you got a disciplinary issue because of the red card. I absolutely understand why we get asked that question. That's no question at all about that. But the other penalties are the issue for me around our discipline. So yeah, we've addressed that this week and we've spoken about that. And like we saw after our first game where we improved our discipline at one stage there, we were having less penalties than the teams we were playing. So it's one of those things that's continual work on for our side. Yeah, I had a couple of average days there last week, to be fair, but back on the other side of it now, and all going to plan. I'll be travelling back into camp tomorrow. I've been speaking to the coaches. I was in the coaching box via Zoom on Friday night, and I've had a couple of Zoom calls with the coaches, and got another one set up for 2:00 today to go through training and have a look through all that stuff. So, but health-wise, thanks for asking, is much better.